Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Winnie's Way. Today I'm starting out by having lunch with my brother and sister here, King and Queen Fish. And we're not just eating at one place, unfortunately, because the first one didn't do justice, so we had to go check out a new one. Okay, look at this beautiful bowl of pho. Oh, pho. Okay, just had lunch at the Holla Vietnamese, and it was pretty good. However, not as fulfilling as it could be. So therefore, I will be taking a trip across the hall in order to go to Sushi Roll. I think that's how it's pronounced. And here it is. Here it is. Sushi roll. You see it, guys. You see it. Yes, guys. Thank you. And you just make your selection. There's some tuna on the run.
Tuna on the run.
That was a good one.
Yes. And if you don't want that, oh, miso soup. You can place an order.
Touch panel will let you know when your order is about to come up. So you can pay attention to these little numbers to then get what you ordered. Don't just take somebody else's food. Pay attention to the number on the tag.
So the numbers is the table number. Okay, our sushi extravaganza.
Yeah, hopefully you take a picture from somebody.
Salmon roll.
Oh, we got stuck. Aha. Somebody else?
All right, so we're gonna start the second one. This one might be a little bit more difficult. So this one is to me, it can't get enough. If you want to learn it, get on the floor. I'm gonna see what you want. Tell me what you need. Pick up your right foot, and you kind of, when you step down, you're stepping on your toes, and you kind of pick it up on your heel. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
A few moments later.
One more time, one more time. From the top, 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Turn.
A few moments later.
The streets of Nana at night. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to another episode of Winnie's Way. I hope that you enjoyed my adventures that I had throughout the week. And for my subscribers that have been here from day one rocking with me, thank you so much. And for all my new subscribers, welcome. And thank you so much for subscribing. Until next time, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And let me know what else you'd like to see. As you can see, I'm walking below the train and Bangkok traffic below.